And we are back with another unboxing, guys. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new 2020 Baum Bat Gold. You know, I've heard a lot of things. It's already opened, as you can see, but I know I heard a lot of good things about this new bat, and you know, hopefully it does well for me. And so let's start it off. I mean, somebody already opened that thing. My dad opened it. Check it out, but I haven't seen it yet. But so packaging. Like a normal bat, you know. Oh my gosh. Let's put it over here. Put this to the side. First look at the Baum Bat. Let's put it this way. The Baum Bat, man. Oh my gosh. That's tough. That's tough. So, first impressions. I love the gold on it. You know, nice slick color like the old Baum Bat. I got the standard handle. I actually got it customized. As you can see, it has Ultra SARS on it. Let's get a closer look with the Baum brand new gold. That's nice. The nice gold stripe. Nice and clean all around. First impression. Wow, it's actually pretty light. Yeah, it's light. It feels good. I got a 33. Got 33, and so I'm probably gonna put some lizard grip on this, and possibly you know, that's pretty much it. That's all I need. Wow, it's really light. Feels good on the hands. They got the clothes. It's not like the Marucci bats, but this is how Baum Bats is. Very good reviews from this, so we're gonna try it out. We'll go hit with it, and we'll see you guys. Peace.